Yama Olivia Crabba at the Kumawood trending stories so one is a crane. Minyata Siciliana and summer a treasure a tregu social media and everyday Bremo Kumawood trending stories so then as summer in the crane made a bro trending stories no so and the same. A year in Casayum to Niba could pay or be the pump the Sarkodie yes can sack and was on a name by Becky and none in them social media. Say Ken Sack releasing the latest track what today happy day happy day on a Kwame Eugene and a boss and you may the year pam and moon some dear boy obi ati nyunya na ni agiye panemuna oma me ngana konkonsafo a yoga ha ye de ya hwehwe nsemu pipi nsemu no ya hwehwe nyumu no ma pipi mo nsa nyumu kra na Sarkodie boy ya say campaign song bi de ma MPP for sa na nipa dodo na ko bi ase say ya Sarkodie ko kan sem bi wo nyumu no na je say nyumi die o sheda bo nyum ne de ma MPP for yes sana amanfo bebre na kika yenko ni yenko tie nyum na ho nsem na o kan no na wonzo fo odwe cheba say ampa say nyum na MPP for campaign song na o metua Sarkodie ka so ommo na wabo ammo dia yenko ni yenko tie nyum na mbra sese cause madam for na woje dada bi ne ma mene ne papa wo bi na wo ton jot o wi ade ma ye che ne wo port me kai me de je mu a hye ne go abanso pampanyi ne ko so ka sembi so woni pada se ni bia ho onenso ye se de aban ne wo wantwi na se dum so bae na me kan ya inflation crash o me bosso nti ende se me da kanem na me mbabe ko school free dia ene me tu chema mo fa me bon nche me na na toa so everybody give glory yes in some peace, wow, nyum na. Onzo agent Charlie says, campaign song and pana say, rap speaker, no say, don't was and buy or kind. I say, then the mania, I light to them, na say, the Mabeko school free, dear, and another Becana say, Nana Twa, so 80, Rebecca say, Bia, na, Mamma, Nana, add down quite a for the president, putting the end and so, and the manager agent say, and the Mabeko school free na so benya light adam free dia ene na to aso I will my man for can sem bebre bi mo didi ata be bi mo ndc for bo free pan so ye just says ya Sarkodie yi nanim so ye MPP ni nti de omo money wum bi mana se omo ne nyom kra de omo ntiska enkoto ne nyom na so omo download ne nyom kra bi ye na ex president Mahama and so was Star FM so no or den sem bi tutu dwa ye nkotie nsema ex president so kafa samili ne Sarkodie endorse MPP honembra ye nkotie mbra sese
for a political party then he comes against quite a lot of antipathy from the supporters of the other party, and that shouldn't be the case, but unfortunately that is what happens. And so in this particular campaign, I have tried to discourage as much as possible getting celebrities involved in our campaign because it leads to a distraction of their careers, and so if you notice, I haven't gone around with celebrities and musicians and so on and so forth because our politics does not understand those things, and so I don't have any antipathy or anger with anybody who endorses Nanado. That's their decision to do so. But for me,
for Sarkodie or somebody for endorsing Nanado.
Oh, I like them. They are young, talented musicians, and my attitude towards them doesn't change. I mean, Samini has been somebody that I like. I mean, his music, Linda and all that. I mean, we all love those music. And so if he's endorsed Nanado, he must have his reasons for doing that. It doesn't change my attitude towards him. But I've said that I won't, get musicians and celebrities deeply involved in my campaign because I don't want to affect their careers. People will misinterpret it and think that because they support you, I won't buy their music. Because they support you, I won't watch their movies, and so.
Okay. You asked the president.
ene nsem bi na ex-president Mahama editu dwa o kasa no amanfo bebre na abobo na baso ye president o muso wakasa ye also no onye say or the celebrities no ba be ne campaign and say okofa celebrities eti o mo kasa o mo me campaign mani there be sense say okofa celebrities di o mo be say campaign na ebe mo madwuma so akofo man as o madwuma say esan say MPP for be kasa Sarkodie atonyom ama NDC for intino omo mpesa akodi asembio na say otonyom ma NDC for so MPP for na e wo mu no so be kasa omo support Sarkodie bi to avoid all those stuffs no o involve celebrities bia e won the campaign enim eno na obi so bi say enye ex-president Mahama ya na kofa Sofia in London free Nigeria de ne ba Ghana be campaign e ma no na eno so ne nsema amavo bi na bi say first ne de na ex-president Mahama wa ba mu no timi kofa celebrities ne bi free Nigeria mo ba e be campaign ma na de na afa die na now the danko akufado enya amanfo mo ye campaign amana eno nzo so obeka say onu de o involve celebrities on the campaign mu na edinsensem bebre ebeba eye ensem pie ene ensem outopin na yenya no social media ye de bremo media na queen AJ hisi mesrom say ni de mo oba like your YouTube videos nyina e de amai no subscribe edin no Kumawood TV Kumawood TV YouTube oko Facebook and so Kumawood TV like your videos nyina no subscribe to your channels nyina FM Miami and Queen AJ Hipsy Makam